if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that heartbeat.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's currently about 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm just out taking just the two dogs with me for a walk. Kelvin's at home with Harper. He's still off till next week. He goes back to work. So I thought today I'd just do a bit of a day in the life with us and see what we get up to today when Kelvin's off. So yeah, it should be good. It's a bit of a cloudy morning. It's not very cold though, so that's good. But yeah, so come along and let's see what we get up to.
Stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you.
Here's Miss Harper. She's not dressed yet for the day. Are you? You still have to get dressed. Yeah. And Kelvin's having for breakfast some hash browns we had in the freezer just to use them up because we're gonna try and get a bit healthier starting from New Year's. So he's gonna get rid of those. Not that I've had many of them, he's probably ate more. And this is his vitamins he takes. God love him. Oh, and he's having some eggs with it. Well, so that's not that bad, I guess. But yeah, now, and then I'll get having my breakfast, which is just my usual breakfast. Just gonna pick Harper's outfit for the day. I'm not sure what I'll put her in for today. Today we're sort of just gonna be at home, but this morning we're just gonna go out, go look for a ceiling fan. Kelvin's cousin's gonna put that in for us. Maybe actually might put her in this one. This is a sweet one. My auntie and uncle got her this one. So that's cute. And her in that one. And I might put her in a little headband. I've been doing that I find lately. This is so cute. Oh, it did come with this headband. I'll see how this goes. So that's Miss Harper's outfit.
Stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting.
When I got back from walking the dogs, Kelvin had made the bed and emptied the dishwasher. So that was nice of him. So now I'm just going to go put my makeup on for the day.
Here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. With his humble lack and everlasting ego. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that heartbeat bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes.
I don't know if he's even noticed, but I took this piercing out the other day that I've had here since before I was 18, so a long time, but I was just getting a bit over it. And also when I went to the dentist, she told me that it was sort of causing a bit of damage to my gum, so she said you get a plastic bag, but I just thought I was over it anyway. I'll just take it out, but now the hole's like that. Anyway, so I'm just using this Maybelline Falsies Blush Lift Mascara.
That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego. Your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes.
Now I'm just going to use this Smooth the Jade contouring palette, nothing flash it out for ages. I just sort of use this dark brown one here on my cheeks.
Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter.
Not very good with makeup. My stepsister is, and actually my sister-in-law is, but they both don't live overly close to me. If they did, I should definitely get them to show me, because they do their makeup beautifully.
Go on, blow up your ego.
Colin's just out having his breakfast. Yeah. Well, I think it's only around about 7:30, a bit after. So we're up and ready. Pretty early. Which is good when you gotta go out and do stuff, because the days just go so quickly as it is. And then I'll just also sometimes when we go designer brands, it's just from local chemists. I just mainly know this one. You can see I use this one quite a bit. Just use this bit of a shimmer for highlight here.
Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his
Yeah, so that's me done. Like I said, nothing flash. But now I just do my hair.
oh, here he goes.
got for me, Kelvin and Harper for Christmas with our names put on it. So they're lovely and they're really soft. The towels are from Kmart. I think she got them from Kmart. So I just come out from getting ready and Kelvin, God love him, has made my breakfast for me. So it's just my yogurt and granola. Oh, and my flax seeds.
And blueberries.
Oh, and blueberries. So he got it right. God love him. Thank you. These two cuties. How's your breakfast, Kelvin?
Oh, it's good. Very good. I'm quite full.
You would have been.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit.
Here's Harper dressed and ready for the day. Little cutie. Ended up changing her headband, but no, she's cute. And it is a bit cool still at the minute, so just put that long sleeve shirt underneath the outfit.
Your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble and everlasting ego.
We're just here now at Beacon Lighting. We're going to have a look here for a sailing fan. Looking for the fan. We just went with one from Beacon. We ended up going back to Beacon and just picking up this one. I'll show you later when Kelvin puts it together. He's just gone back to, had to go to Bunnings to get some wood to he used to put up in the roof for it. And him and his cousin put it in, so yeah, and I was a bit hungry, so I'm just having a muesli bars here. Yeah, and clearly Miss Harper's hungry too, so I'll give you something to drink. Yes. So Harper's just finished a bottle. You just had your bottle. And I'll probably put her down for a sleep. I'll say now, about 10:35. So she'll go down. How long she sleeps is just up to her. It's different all the time. Yesterday she had a few hour nap. But the ones before that were just short ones, but that's okay. Yeah, so I'll put her down. Say hello. It's about 1:45 now. And I think I'm just going to make some lunch. Kelvin doesn't want nothing just yet because he's out in the shed forming up for a step to go out the laundry door. So I'll just show you what I'm having for lunch.
On my way home, stumbling on the pavement, yeah. No sleep in my body, last night got me wasted, yeah. Ain't nobody calling my phone up just to make sure I get home safe and sound, yeah. I'm pretty sure if I fall down and don't get up, nobody would care, yeah. Don't wanna be alone anymore, so I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Yeah. I might as well sleep with the doors unlocked. Headache and sore throat, constantly hungover, yeah. Eating all alone.
I made a roast chicken last night for dinner, so I've got some leftover roast chicken. I might just put some of that on as well because I'm pretty hungry.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too, me too. We're letting go, drifting apart. We're letting go, drifting apart. I can hurt you like you hurt me too.
This is what I've got for lunch. One of these wraps here that I showed you. 1 egg, some cherry tomatoes, some baby spinach, and some mushrooms, and then the roast chicken from last night left over. And then I know this is not the healthiest, but I'm just going to put a tiny bit of this creamy roasted garlic dressing on it, and that should be good. This is what I was saying before Kelvin was making in the shed, just to put like a bit of a step here. This is out the laundry door. So yeah, that's what he was doing earlier on when I was having lunch.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Me too. We're letting go, drifting apart. We're letting go, drifting apart. I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Me too. We're letting go, drifting apart. We're letting go, drifting
So this is what he's done for when he does the slab out the back for the lawn locker to sit on. He'll just do this as well, some concrete to make a concrete steps. It's raining now, you can't really see it, but his back's really wet. You probably can't really see from the camera, but this is the blade of the fan, sort of like a whitewashed timber that we went with.
I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Me too. We're letting go, drifting apart. We're letting go, drifting apart.
Right up there in the between them two downlights is where the ceiling fan's gonna go. Well, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed this day in the life with my husband home. And if you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It really supports my channel. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.